Hey guys, Jason here, The Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Well, good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and we're working on the tractor today, specifically our Land Pride brush hog mower. Ran into a little bit of trouble with it this week when I was back there mowing the back acre, and let me show you here what the problem is. So here we go. This is the back idler wheel, kind of in the back of the machine here, kind of gives it support. And I was mowing, and everything was going great. It was near the end, and I looked back, and I had a bunch of debris dragging behind me. So I got out of the tractor, take a look at the wheel, and look, I'm missing a bunch of bolts. There's supposed to be 4 bolts in here. See, there's one left, and so I'm missing 3. So that's our problem today. So I actually got out my metal detector. I was actually trying to hope I found all 4, but I only found 1, a complete set. So I've only used this thing probably about a dozen times in the last couple of years. So these could have fallen off last year. I really don't know, but this one's a little bit damaged. So what I did, I went to good old Home Depot, $17 in bolts, lock washers, and nylon bolts, and we'll get it all fixed up here. But here, I'll show you guys what I got in case you run into this problem. So what we got here is, these are 2-inch, they're M12 1.75 by 35 millimeter. I got lock washers that are M12, and these are the nylon bolts. These are M12 by 1.75. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the first 3 going, and we'll replace that last one there. So let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm doing first, I'm just kind of going through here and getting them all lined up. I'm not tightening them. I'm just kind of just getting them all lined up. Make sure they all get through the holes. And then we'll go ahead and tighten everything. Alright. Alright, now I'm removing the old one. That's the old one. The one that was remaining. Alright guys, I'm at the point where I'm tightening. I lowered it to the ground so we had some pressure so the tire wasn't spinning. So I got 2 of them already tightened. Come on. Wow. Alright guys, we're on the last bolt. Probably just need to spin it because it's behind there. Here we go. Okay. You kind of see, this is where the tire was dragging at. A lot of dirt built up in there. But it doesn't appear to be any damage to the wheel, so I'm glad. There's actually a grease zerk right here. I gotta put some grease in here. Okay guys, we are all done. There it is. We got all new bolts in here. All new bolts. Here's this side. So I'm gonna double check these other ones and make sure those are tight. But the last thing I'm gonna do, there's a grease zerk right here. I gotta put some grease in there. I already did this one. And if you guys have these at home, I'm sure you guys know, or if you don't know, there's two grease zerks. There's one inside this plastic here, and there's one at the coupler here on this end of it. So they're a little tricky to get to, but just make sure those are greased. I'm probably gonna go ahead and check all the bolts on here and make sure they're all tight. So all right guys, so that was a quick one for today, but yeah, check your bolts in your mower because it'll slow you down, cost you a little money if it breaks down. So all right guys, say bye Luna. All right, okay guys, have a great weekend, take care. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for being a subscriber, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye.